Greetings. So, let's see. It is Monday. Yeah, Monday, actually New Year's Eve. And my clock has been running for 3 or 4 days now. Hasn't stopped. Actually found out one of my neighbors is a professional clock repairman. Got some pointers from him, and it's running even better than ever now. So let's go over some of the things that I've done to improve the clock since initially mounting it and starting its run. I did several things. One, the winding shaft. I adjusted this so it sticks out a bit further, so that when I wind it, it's less likely to pull through the case. I cut off the hour hand and dremeled it out, and then fit it over the collar of washers that's constructed. That way the hour hand is adjustable. Ah, nice. So now the hour and minute hand are both fully adjustable. What else have I done? I added a plumb at the bottom with that tack. I cut this out of cardboard. That way if I move it, I know right where to hang it so that it's level. Got a little line underneath there. Just match it up, and then I know the clock is level. Earlier I didn't have it quite level. I adjusted the anchor back there because the tick was significantly longer than the talk because I did not have that angled properly. So I broke the glue that held it to the pendulum arm, adjusted the angle, and got that a lot better. So now the tick and talk are equal. I'm still adjusting the time. Since I changed the angle of the anchor back there, it threw off the speed of the clock, so I'm still dialing in the exact speed so that it will keep perfect time. I found some apps that help me analyze the beat of the pendulum and the movement to know if my clock is fast or slow or what's going on. So that's interesting. I might put some links in the description to that. Oh man, I made all kinds of improvements and stuff. I still haven't lacquered the case. I'm worried that the cardboard case will begin to sag over time. So I want to take it apart and lacquer the case. I put a little mark on the wall. That was before I did the plumb. Put a little mark on the wall so when I get done winding it, I can make sure it's right where it should be. And then another thing I did today, purely cosmetic, was some lighting. So let me turn off these lights. Sorry if it gets shaky for a second. Let's see how well this shows up. Yeah, I butchered some Christmas lights and figured out how to get them to run off a couple AA batteries, so it's got some internal lighting. What's really cool is, I don't know if it shows up here, but the shadow, that is the shadow on the wall above the clock of the escape wheel. It's really cool. So let me get up here. We can look down into it. Yeah, so you can see I just added 3 LED lights with a variable resistor so I can control their brightness. I don't know how long they'll last, but I expect several good months. Boy, isn't that cool. So there we go. And then I've got some glow-in-the-dark paint that's coming in the mail. That way I can paint the dial and be able to read it at night, hopefully. There we go. That's my clock. I'm super proud of it. I think I might start on another one. There's another paper clock by James Rudolph. It's a little bit more challenging than this one. But I think I might try that one next, because this was a lot of fun, and I really enjoy this clock. Thanks for going on the adventure with me.